Not sure which type of new development is right for you? Discover the pros and cons of each to make the best decision. First, large-scale developments. These typically come with a full range of curated amenities, with doormen, gyms, pools, roof decks, yoga, boxing, and even ceramic studios. You'll have more neighbors, but your risk is more diversified. But keep in mind, these amenities come with relatively higher carrying costs. Next, small-scale boutique developments. These typically have about 30 to 40 units, and these buildings may offer more modest amenities like a small gym, a roof deck, storage, or virtual doorman. Carrying costs should be lower than the fully amenitized development. And then you've got the Brownstone Condos, which those typically have about 3 to 4 units, and these buildings offer more discretion, lower carrying costs. However, if there's issues in the future, think facade renovations, then the risk is less diversified. So you could be on the hook for a larger assessment and more responsibility if the building is self-managed. Finally, rental-to-condo conversions. These often feature charming pre-war details and may come at a lower cost with some tax benefits, but the quality of renovations may not be as sophisticated. In all cases, you'll want to do your research on the developers to make sure that they've got a track record of success and know if they've got a track record of failure. We're here to help. Contact us today and we'll help you determine which type of new development is right for you.